Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible journey of Bianca Stanciu, a multi-talented data scientist and social media influencer who's reshaping how we perceive data. With over 2 million followers on Instagram and 423,000 on X, Bianca has not only mastered the art of data science, but has also captivated audiences with her diverse content, spanning gaming, yoga, and even guitar performances. Starting her career as a data scientist, Bianca realized her passion for making complex topics accessible and enjoyable for everyone. She curates engaging content tailored for mature audiences, earning over 220,000 likes and a verified account on Instagram. But who is Bianca really? Join us as we uncover the fascinating life of this dynamic creator, exploring her unique blend of expertise and creativity that inspires millions around the globe. Bianca Stanciu is not just another personality in the digital space. She has made her mark with a deep passion for data science while also having interests in gaming and music. In her own unique way, she teaches and explains data science, making complex topics accessible and enjoyable for her audience. Starting her career as a data scientist, Bianca has evolved into a content creator. She engages her fans with curated content tailored specifically for mature audiences, gathering an impressive number of over 220,000 likes. This success highlights her ability to connect with viewers on a personal level. What's even more impressive, Bianca isn't just about data. Her Instagram showcases a broad range of interests. Initially, she focused on data science, but she has expanded her content to include gaming, yoga, and even guitar performances. This variety keeps her audience engaged and coming back for more. So, what makes Bianca famous? While she's known for her incredible insights into data science, her diversity in content creation is what really stands out. Her journey reflects her dynamic personality and her willingness to explore different avenues. Bianca joined Instagram in May 2021, and since then, she has built a thriving community. With over 2 million followers and more than 840 posts to her name, she shares her experiences, passions, and everyday moments. In June 2023, her account was officially verified, a testament to her growing influence. On X, her journey began in March 2020, where she maintains an active presence with over 423,000 followers. Whether sharing insights or personal thoughts, Bianca's online engagement is certainly impressive. Bianca Stanciu exemplifies the modern influencer, blending her passion for data science with creativity across social media platforms. Whether through insightful data analysis, gaming, or musical expression, she continues to captivate audiences worldwide. If you enjoyed learning about Bianca, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.